Welcome to this guide on making sticky posts in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to keep a post at the top of your blog page, helping your most important content stand out and reach more readers. Sticky posts are especially useful for announcements, featured articles, or content you want new visitors to see first. By using this feature, you can strategically highlight posts without manually rearranging your content each time. Start by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner for the login option and click it. This step lets you access your WordPress dashboard where you manage all your posts. On the sign-in screen, instead of typing a username and password, select Continue with Google. This allows you to log in quickly using your Google account. If you have multiple accounts signed in, choose the one linked to your WordPress site. This keeps your login process secure and efficient. After signing in, navigate to the Post section from your dashboard. Here you'll see all your published and draft posts. Identify the post you want to make sticky. Only one post can be made sticky at a time using this method. Next, click on the Quick Edit option under the chosen post. Quick Edit lets you adjust settings without opening the full editor. Inside Quick Edit, locate the option labeled Make this post sticky. Toggle this switch on to ensure your post stays at the top of your blog page. You can also use this moment to review other settings like categories or tags to make sure everything is up to date. Once you've enabled the sticky option, click Update to save your changes. WordPress will immediately apply the sticky status, keeping your selected post highlighted for all visitors. This is a great way to keep your most valuable content easily accessible and ensure it doesn't get buried under newer posts. And that's it. Your post is now sticky. This simple process makes it easy to highlight priority content, ensuring important updates or announcements are always visible on your site. By following these steps, you can manage sticky posts efficiently and keep your blog organized and engaging for your audience. Remember, sticky posts can be updated or removed anytime, giving you full control over how your content is showcased. Happy WordPress using!